How to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. Snapchat has a cool feature that allows you to find friends who are near you, perfect for meeting new people, reconnecting with old friends, or just seeing who's around. So let's break it down step by step. First things first, open your Snapchat. We are assuming you already have your Snapchat account set up and ready to go. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to App Store or Google Play Store. Now that you're in the app, simply tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you can see all your personal details, snap score, and more. Simply scroll down and tap on Add Friends. You'll find this at the middle of the page. Now, here you can find a section called Quick Add. These are all the people who live nearby you. You can also search for the person that you want to add at the top, where you can simply search for the name. Now, to ensure you're visible to others, you need to have your simply add nearby feature enabled too. Once you simply do that, or you simply turn on your location services for Snapchat, you're simply enabled to be found on Snapchat Quick Add. And that's it. That's how you can simply find or simply enable nearby friends on Snapchat.